What's up? What's up? What's going on? I'm live in here. Cool beans. Let's get started. All right, let's check it out. Oh yeah, for sure, Eric. For sure, for sure. I was a nice wedding. That was good. That was good stuff. I needed that. I needed that. I needed those chicken and waffles in my life. All right, let's check it out. Let's see what we got going on. So the market did some things today. I didn't look too much today. I played a little bit. I played a little bit. I played gold. I played GJ. I played, using my trap day pairs. But I didn't play too much. I didn't play too much. What's up? So I didn't play too much. So no, you can't even start Blue Waves till Tuesday. You can't even start looking at Blue Waves till Tuesday. Yeah, see what they do Monday and Tuesday. All right, so let's check it out. Let's look at AJ. Start with AJ. We'll do like six pairs. I won't go crazy because it's still trap day and they got mad news tomorrow. And GVP got mad news tomorrow. They already start. They already acting up. So we're gonna look at some things. Let's map some things out. Let's see what they did. See what they did. They spiked pretty good. So they got right here what is called a. They could do candle. They could do a fill right here, up here, or they could fill down here, which is what they're probably doing in a minute. So let me see what they got over here going on. So they could fill either the top or the bottom, either candle wick. Looks like they're going for the bottom right now. They'll probably fill half that. They got some wicks down here as well, so they'll probably try to test these lows down here. This looks pretty good. There was no divergence right here, so it looks pretty good. And then down here there was some divergence, so they'll probably try to test that down here one more time. But they got news coming out, so let's see what they did. All right, previous high, previous low, looks good. Let's zoom out. See how far they might try to drop on this daily. All right, cool deal. Erase this nonsense and this nonsense. Confuse me, gonna confuse me. All right, that's the high. That's the low from yesterday or previous. So they have the opportunity to hit this 800 right here. They have the opportunity to come out here to hit the 800 this week, which will create away from the blue, away from the blue. All right, this is a 240 pip move to the downside. So let's look down, and they might be hitting previous order block. There it goes right there. So this is the previous zone right here on daily. It might not hit it this week, but they can hit it. Let's see. Right there. That's the previous. That's the next buy zone right here. It's 800 EMA on a 200. I'm sorry, on a daily. So let's see what they got on the 1 hour. What they cooking up on the 1 hour? They can hit that previous high and low. It's a big move. A range. EMAs are on the top. Looking for sales. Got stalls. Didn't make it. Look for that move. So nothing but space down here. Let's do a pending order for a buy limit. Let's see where they are. Let's see where they are. It's a lot of money to be here. Let's see, 4 hour. Today's Monday, so they got some time. They've got some time. Here we go. Here we go. Previous lows here. There come test this low again. That's where the order blocks are. But there's a big one down here. It's a big boy down here. It's a lot of money down here. So let's do this because they're not going to pull all the way down. Plus TI is sinking, which is nice. So let them pull down some more. So we'll do a buy limit. Hit the previous low. Come back up. We'll ride it. All right, previous low. We're hit spread times 2 or 32 pips below. Let's not go for AJ. So let's go 50 pips. Let's not go crazy because they dropped 200. They dropped 200. You know. All right. 1, 2, 3. It's 89 on the 4 hour. That's about right. Let's do 85. No, we keep it there 90 because of that news. We'll keep the spike. We'll move them in if we need to. Once we get in profit, we'll move it in. All right, here's your limit here. Let's see. How about this? I'm gonna let you guys pick your TPs. All right, so this is the buy limit. I'm gonna put this in the chat. This is the buy limit. So obviously the entries right here, stop loss at the bottom, and your longest TP. I'll let you guys pick your TPs based on your accounts because I know what you guys are trading. I don't know exactly what you guys are trading. You might trade 100,000, 50K, 1K, 10K. So I'm gonna let you guys pick that based on that. But this is the stop loss, so don't move your stop loss. This is gonna be the actual calculated stop loss. Well, all your TPs, you can pick your TPs within here. So I'm gonna put this in there. It boils down a little bit. That makes sense? Yeah, it pushed 200 today. It's still going to push. So it's going to be a buy limit here. I'm going to put this in analysis. I'll put buy limit, and you can pick your TPs from there, but keep that stop loss. Let's see. That entry is 87.12. So 87.812. All right, it's an analysis channel. That's AJ. Let them come break down here. They don't have no signature trades. They just all they did was break out of the A range. They took off, and they took off again. So they'll come back up. Let them be. All right, GJ. Before GJ starts rolling again, let's do GJ. So yeah, pick your TPs, all that good stuff. You usually got 4 hour sauce coming. Got 4 hour sauce. Let's see. Already marked up the highs and lows already. I was on this earlier. They pushed 270 something pips. Check the 1 hour real fast. Look at it from the downside. Consolidation. Nice ranging. See what they want to drop to. All they're going to do is drop. There goes the killer wicks right there. And there goes their drop right there. That's their move or that's their move. All right, so they can hit this 800 right here. Expect them to hit that 800. Yep. Expect them to hit that 800. They've already tested this high already, and they've already got these guys. They hit this order block right there. Hit these guys. They already did. They didn't fill this gap yet. They'll probably hit this one more time before they feel this. This is a big number. 168 is huge. That's a big move. So those are going to take some money back. So let them hit down here. So let's say they got news coming up at 3 o'clock in the morning. How far is this drop? 226. They already went 226 today or 270 today. Let's see something. They go 223, hit news again, 393. Let's hit. Let's do 160. Actually, hold on. I lied. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit one. Shift. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're already in true shift zone. Or no, they're not. Actually, no, they're not. That nasty move coming. They had nasty move coming. We're going to keep it short. Say 158. Let's do right here. 158, 810. Let's do that. 158, 810. They got news tomorrow, so let's just play it safe. Let them drop to us. All right, and then we gotta have a pretty good stop loss, guys. DJs don't play around. The ADR and DJ has changed already. It's not like it's not was it it used to be like 120 pips a day. Not that anymore. It's like 180 pips, 190 pips a day minimum. So if they pull back, they're gonna pull back a good 100 or a good 70. They put us in the trade. Let's make it 85. Coming off that time frame. Boom. All right. And let's take it back up to this high. There we go. That's GJ. It's a good move right there. Risk to rewards looks good. The 1 to 483 looks good. That's a big move for us. That's a big move. So make your TPs 50, 100, and then the last TP, whatever it is, but at least make the minimum 50, at least. It's going to be a buy limit. So the entry. I should put this in pending, my bad. I should put this in pending. Pending. 158, 810. Buy limit. There we go. I'll put it in pending, guys. All right, so should we go on DJ? Let that rock for a minute. I can say it's gonna be a while because it could be the next couple hours. They're gonna push. All right, they got a monthly. They have a monthly. Where we at? MES. That's the only killer right here. That's the only thing I'm kind of skeptical on. That's why I wanted to come down one more time. It's got a monthly MES. Just pulls down one more time. We're looking good. So it's got a while. So basically, at the end of this month, if it pulls all the way back to the red line, you got a good entry, really good entry on GJ. You can hold it if you have the discipline to hold it for a month. That's position trading. That's a long time though. All right, G CAD not yet. Let's do USD CHF. I'm gonna do gold last because gold's got some funny business going on. All right, USD CHF. All right, here we go. It's a little here. I think pushed all the way down. It's in the buy zone there. Looks good. Looks really good. We got a nice level one drop again. They pushed so far. That level one drop. They're gonna push another level one drop. Sorry, level three drop coming up. So they got nasty pullback coming. They got level three drop. They got one up here. And then they got two right there. And they are just at three right now. They might not give you all three because of the pullback zone on TDI right there, the pullback zone. So they're looking to, they might give it to you, but pull up to come back up here to the 4-hour aqua. Yep. Here they come. Here they come. Level one drop. Level two's getting ready. Here they come. All right, so don't jump the gun. Let them come down one more time. That's one hit to the low. That's to entice the traders that are going to buy. If I were a market maker, I'd snatch them like that, and then I'd drop again. So let them drop to this low again. I would snatch them. I would drop. So let's beat the market maker by being patient. Let them drop one more time. And I'll put it like 5 pips above so that way we can get in. All right. I'll back to this high, which is the 4-hour aqua right there. That should give them, these EMA should cloud over, and then this should present a level two drop. Because they gave you when they gave you level two drop, actually, they gave you one full drop. Boom, pull back. They gave you two. They gave you two drops. Let's see where we are. It's still a good move, though, to the upside. And plus, USA got news tomorrow. So we got, let's see where we at now. 38 to our entry. And then 110. Not 110, sorry. Yep, it's going to be 85. All right, we still 1-2. Look good. 2.72. Yeah, let them drop one more time. They're only 38 pips, so this is let them drop because they're pretty good. Because TDI is pointing down, market baseline's down. Let them try to come to this true shift zone. We got divergence right now. The first leg in, which is that leg there, and they got this leg in the band, which is that leg there. They got divergence, so they might just take off, but be patient. Let them test one more time. If you see them come down here and they're like 3 pips, 4 pips, and that's not hitting your entry, just get in the trade. That's all. Just get in the trade. Too easy. All right, let's get in there. Nine, 800. All right, it's in there. USD CHF's there. That's a good move. That's a good move right there. I wouldn't even be mad about losing that trade. That's a good move. Because I already filled all this right here. Fill this gap. Fill that imbalance. Fill that imbalance. Hit this fringe right there. Filled all that. Only one thing to do now is come back up. USD CHF might be a pair to look at. Might be a pair. It's slow, but it might be a pair to look at. All right, let's look at AUD USD. They did a little ranging today. Y'all trade today? Yeah, the last night. You should see some good moves tonight though, D, because they're gonna push in a couple hours. They're gonna push pretty good. That's previous low, previous high looks good. All right, so they're gonna try to come down in this low again. They're gonna push more. They're gonna push on down. They're gonna push lower because gold. This is gonna follow gold. It's gonna follow gold. If I got level 2 drop on a daily, this is gonna follow gold. Faux show. And gold's gonna drop one more time. If it'll hit 1922, then it'll drop. This is the move right there. Probably won't happen this week. Maybe next week. Maybe. All right, so let's look at the 4 hours, see where we are. That's a long move down there. Yeah, that's better. 1, 2, 3. Pull back. 1, 2, push 3. Let's see where we're at. 1, 2, 4, 5. Due for a pullback. That's for sure. Now we're set up for the straightaway trade, which is right there. Let's check the 1 hour. See what they got. How many y'all this time change tearing y'all up? This time change tearing me up. Destroying me. Tearing me up, man. Here we go. Let's come back to this A range here. That previous low. Yeah, it caught me off guard. Then we got true shift here, so we're just gonna hang out. Right? If you want to get in true shift, go for it. Just count your 2 hours, so you gotta be in profit by like 10 o'clock or 10:30, whatever. Or not 10:30. 8 hours. So 8 hours from now, bad. 8 hours from now. So just if you want to go for it. True shift is happening now. That's good. I'm gonna be patient and wait. Wait a minute, because I want this to come down a little further. Dude. There we go. Yeah, there you go. This is a good move right here. It's a good move. For the sale? You got it for sale? Good, good. Yeah. It's a good move right here. I would just be patient when it comes down. The sell is good for now. You definitely sell. Just watch it. But it's going to drip for a minute. All right, we got AU, we got AJ, we've got AJ, AU, we got GJ, AJ, AU, GJ, and you, Chef. AJ, GJ, AU, Chef. One more. Let's do a fifth one before we go to gold. UJ, see what UJ looks like. I was going to do Euro, but Euro got like 4 folders tomorrow, so I'm not going to mess with it. And so did GEP, so I'm not going to play too many GEP pairs. I got folders tomorrow too, like at 3 o'clock in the morning. Let's see. Do UJ. Usually that's fine. You just got news tomorrow. All right. Here we go. This is good structure here. It's good. All right, let's see what they did. See what they did today. Previous high, previous low. Hope you guys marking this up. Hope it helps you guys. Market previous high, previous low, so you know where to vector at. Hope it's a lot easier because it's definitely a lot easier if you see it. No, AJ is for a buy limit. Send the analysis. Check the analysis. Terrence, I'm gonna put it in the pending. I forgot to put it in pending, but it's for a buy limit. You can sell AJ now. Yeah, you can sell it now. I'm just waiting for it to come down because it's only Monday, so they got a lot of time. All right, so on the daily, they got a nat. They're gone. They're gone on a daily. They're out of here. They're gonna come down a little further. Got USD news tomorrow too, so yeah, they're already true shifted a long time ago. Yeah, they're good. They got 1 day, 2 day. They got 8 days being profit. Here's your next move right here. It's a long way down. So let's see what the 4 hour looks like. That wouldn't be your move, really. This would be your move. That one. How far is that? They're gonna spike some more, but they came inside the band, so no, I'm not gonna go that low. They can, but they're not gonna go that low. They're already inside the bands. So let's get them to the previous low. They're going for the previous low. So let's get them at the previous low. They're going for it. Let's check it out. Let's see here. Come back up. USD news tomorrow. They look consolidated. EMAs are bunched up, so you can play this both ways. We don't want that far. We want to be 85. All right. All right, let's see. Let's throw it on here. Let's see what we got going on. Yeah. Pretty good. Pretty good. We can be patient though. We can be patient right now. So if you got in for the advanced movers right now for the buy, advances right now for the buy. First TP is a good 50 pips, 100 pips, 50 to 100. Pick your number. 50 to 100. Pick your number in between there. Whatever your account can handle. That's all I say. Whatever your account can handle. All right, this is the move here. Yep. This is the move. All right, so buy limit. If you want to get it now, you get it now. 50% matrix. It's already hit. But if you want to be patient, wait for it to drop down. I think it's like what? Get 50 to 75, 80. They got news tomorrow, so be careful. It might spike both ways. Kind of like, let's see if they have any candles that spike for news. It's a good spike there. I don't see any 2-way spikes lately. So, oh, here we go, right there. There goes one right there. Right there. 2-way spike. There we go. So, watch out for that. Oh, they came inside the bands, which is good. So I give you a chance to get in, but just be patient. They are market baseline's down. They vectored all the way down the 4 hour time frame. This is a good move. You just gotta wait for them to create this move here. It came down. All right, pull up again, what they're doing now, and then pull down one more time, which can give you a regular W, and then pull on back up. Something like that, right? So just gotta watch out for that. That irregular W. Make you all emotional. All right, here is the buy limit. What trade y'all in now? Besides AU. Pretty good, pretty good. That's it. Yeah, I hear you on that. It's just gotta wait for it to move. Wait for it to move. All right, last but not least, I'm not gonna mess with US 30 and Nas 100 until tomorrow. Until I see what they do tomorrow, because today was trap day, so I want to see what they do tomorrow on the actual trade day, and then I'll bust out some trades for those Wednesday and Thursday. I gotta see what they do. They didn't do much today, but gold did. Gold played off of the NFP news. Yeah, play off the NFP news. I mean, gold had a good move. You seen this right here? Like, remember that buy limit I said down here? That it came down here, 800. I mean, that's a guess. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 hits to the 800. It came back both times. So let's see. I got the mark. They're gonna come down to that previous low, but guys, they gapped. That's the issue. They gap right here, so they're gonna come fill this gap right here. They're gonna fill this all this right here is a big deal. So all this right here is a big deal. They're gonna fill that. They're gonna fill all that. So you got an imbalance right here. You got a huge imbalance right here. First leg, second leg. That's textbook for us. Boom, out of there. But they opened up at 1887 on Sunday. That took everybody out. But here's the move right here. They want to really get to. They're not going to get to it right away. So guess what they got to do? They got to pull back. So when they pull back, they'll pull back hard. They won't pull back too far, but they'll pull back to fill this gap. And this is where it's going to be for your buy. So when you see it down here, 1865 area, 1862, that's going to be a good buy to complete this 1950s to come back up here 1950. But for now, we're going to hit it at 1922 for the sell limit, because they got news tomorrow. So they're going to drop in a little bit because they're way on power 50. But we ain't going to play because they got on power 50. We want them, they can still continue going. They're not done. Nope, they're not done. Push 1, turn down, push 2. They're not done yet. So 1922 is going to be the move for me, at least. Where we at? So 1922. And the reason 45, 28. All right, there we go. So this is the full move right here, but in between all of this, keep hitting it on the way down. Keep hitting it over and over. But this is the full move right here. I'm not looking to get crushed on this. Actually, I should put 1930. All right, so this is the full move, right? It's the full move here, the full move. And then the way back up, it should go back up. All right, but this is the full move here I'm looking at. Now, 1922 is the sell limit. So I'll let that go up there. But in between all this movement for the next couple of days or a week, whatever, keep hitting it. It might just drop, shoot. It might just drop tomorrow, depending on the news, inflation, but it might play off inflation. So if it hits 1930, it's gone, because that is the next. Yeah, if it hits this 1930, the thing's gone. It's going back up to 60. So let's do 1922 for a sell limit. Get some of that, and break it up in four. It's like, all right, so 1924, then subtract 4, and then 19 was 1918. All right, 1914, 1910. Break it down into 4s. That way you get your 50 pips. Oh, you missed that? Yeah, it's all good. It happens. I'm gonna put this one in gold, so we'll remember. $18, or sorry, 19, 22. There we go. Let's go. Anybody else want to see anything? I think we got some pretty good sets for a Monday. I mean, it's Monday. It's still trapped. It's still, it's still trapping for a minute. Tuesday at London is when they'll start breaking out and doing their thing. Anybody want to see a pair? They want to hop on? Want me to hop on? Other than that, I think we're pretty good. There's some pretty solid setups. Pretty solid. It's got to be patient. That's all. Be pretty solid. They got news tomorrow. They got inflation news. So we got a lot of news tomorrow. We got Tony. We got inflation. Let's see. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Mm-hmm. We got inflation. We've got what else we have tomorrow? Got a bunch. Let's see. We got a lot of revenue. Much. I want to know what's going to spike. All right, here we go. All right, so we have unemployment on GDP, CPI tomorrow for Euro, CPI tomorrow for us as well, for USD. There it goes, and then inflation rates. It's gonna be one of them days tomorrow, y'all. CPI, anything CPI, it's like NFP all over. CPI a little harsher than NFP now because it's all relying on inflation. If Feds put out if Feds put out their inflation, then you can expect gold to go crazy. So yeah, you expect to go crazy. They go up, inflation goes up because I said 12% by the end of the year. It's already at 5%. It already went up 5% total, so you got 7% more. Plus it's tax season. Plus elections coming up. And China's got the yen's got unemployment. Tomorrow's gonna be one of them days. It's gonna be one of them days. Can't win it. Yeah, you can't crush news. You just don't know where it's gonna go. But here's the thing. Here's the last what happened. Let's see. All right, not too much of a change. Big change here. That's a huge change. That was bullish. That was bullish. Then that was good for them. Let's see. So this is what they're predicting right here. If this is happening right here, if this is what happens right here, GJ's gonna tank. Like tank. Yeah, it's gonna tank. If this is what's gonna happen right here, GJ's tanking. This could help it right here. This could be a plus to help it, but this right here, if this happens right here, this is gonna tank. CPI for us, maybe a little bit. This is what's going to determine the tank. This is going to determine USD pair here. This inflation rate one. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can't 11, 12, 11 red folders tomorrow. It's a lot of red folders tomorrow. It's a big deal. So watch your pairs, y'all. Watch your pairs. That's all you can do. Watch your pairs. Use those exits. It's 11 folders. You know. All you can do is just trade. If you're trying to trade breakouts, hey, you go for it. Go for it. If you're a breakout, I'm not a breakout trader. I'm trash at it. I'm not a breakout trader. It's just not for me. I gotta wait. I can only do one thing, and that's play it fast. And that's it. In and out. Play it fast, in and out. But take your time. All right. Don't get trapped in the market. And tomorrow we'll do a longer analysis. We'll just actually find some good buy limits, sell limits, market executions. But we gotta be patient tonight because they got news tomorrow. So if you want, only thing I would say market execution is me too. I can't do all that breakout stuff. I don't got time for that. I used to, not anymore. I would only thing I would get in right now is AU. That's the only one I see. AU, and if you can scalp gold, but scalping it ain't gonna be happening right now. It's gonna hang for a while. It's going to overnight, I would say, push 1915. That's my guess, 1915. Push up to 1915 or push down 1905. So yeah, that's the thing right here. If you want to hedge it, but play proper lot size. Same thing with US 30 and NAS 100. Chill on those for a minute till tomorrow. See what they do. See what they do. But I appreciate y'all being on. All right, take your time. Tomorrow we'll look at Blue Waves and see what they did Monday and Tuesday. We'll see what they did Monday and Tuesday. We'll look at Blue Waves tomorrow, and we'll start get to our bag. But tomorrow, trade smart. Use proper risk. Don't lose your accounts. If you don't see it, don't trade it. Trade what you see, not what you think. And use proper risk management. That's the biggest thing. Same lot size, every position. Just keep it that way. All right. Same lot size, every position. Even if you change your TP, just whatever you use on. So for example, if you use $2.50 on or $2 on gold, or sorry, $2 on GJ. All right, use $1 on gold. Use 50% of what you would use on your volatile pair. Just use 50% of that lot size. It equals the amount of you would use for a forex pair. So that way you don't crush what you just won. You won $70 or $100, and then you use gold and you get crushed. All right, so just use half that lot size.